Abdul Basit says, is the hadith authentic? A woman gestured from behind the screen with a letter to the Prophet ﷺ in her hand. The Prophet withdrew his hand and said, I do not know whether it is the hand of a man or a woman. She said, that is Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, it is a woman. He said, if you were a woman, you would have changed your nails, meaning with hinna. Clarify, please. This hadith is disputed upon whether it is authentic or not. And Shaykh Al-Albani, may Allah have mercy on his soul, if I recall correctly, graded it as Hasan in one spot, and he graded it as weak in Da'if al-Jami'. And if you go and look at other scholars of hadith, you would find that the vast majority of them graded it as not authentic. It's very weak. Some of them said that it does not befit the way of the Prophet ﷺ speaking to a woman, and it goes against the teachings of Islam, because we know that Islam prohibits a woman from adorning herself in front of non-mahram. So the Prophet here, if the hadith is authentic, is calling women to wear hinna, to adorn their hands, and this definitely goes against the Sharia and the instructions of the Sharia. Therefore, this hadith is not authentic, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون